it's your call. I know you don't know me from.
No.
But I've been to your house.
Yeah. Preference on a tow truck or no? Your preference on a tow truck?
Hey, I have this deputy here who says that he's arresting me and he's towing my car.
I'm asking you to leave, and if you won't leave, then you will be arrested.
He's saying that
I
the
asked for
township
your
is
ID. Yes.
I'm sorry. Just
I asked for your ID. I don't. That's not how it works. You're very full
you
of
already
yourself.
are violating the law.
I'm not violating any law.
You're violating the law.
I asked you for your ID, and you did not get it.
You are not even following the resolution from the county or from the township. The one that you guys gave us earlier, the one that you were reading from. Did you read it?
No.
It says you can't stop us. You're not touching my car.
Yeah, we're gonna.
No, you're not.
So are you willing to leave? Yes
Just
or no?
ask.
You have no right to do this.
Are you willing to leave?
You do realize it's abusive process and malicious prosecution.
Okay,
Yes, you're violating federal. I don't care. You're on the hook, not him.
No preference? Okay.
You have no right to do this to me. Rod? You guys can hear me if anybody is out there. I have Sheriff's Deputy Langlois from the Allegan County Sheriff's Department saying he's going to arrest me and he's going to tow my car because we are here. Let me see if I can switch this camera around.
And I've shook this guy's hand before too.
There we go. All right, guys. So he's here trying to arrest me. This is our setup. So we are nowhere near the 100-foot mark, which is the drain in the road, right between where that silver truck and that car are pulling out. That's the 100-foot mark where you can't be past it in the other direction, because those doors right there are the doors to get into the precinct. And the law clearly says we can't be within 100 feet. We also can't be impeding anybody from getting in. So they are, he says, going to arrest me if we don't leave right now, because the township owns this property and the township said that we have to leave. Funny thing is, the township has a resolution that specifically says we have the right to be here. And he doesn't want to read the resolution again. He doesn't want to talk about it. He doesn't want to read the law or the constitutional provisions that allow us to be here. So,
This is the way we vote. Absolutely.
Yep. He says that the prosecutor gave him permission to come and arrest me, and that's all he needs to know. This is in Allegan County. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you can call the sheriff's office because his boss has already been, Allegan County, because his boss has already been on the phone saying that he knows we do have the right to be here as long as we're not within the 100 feet, which is what the law says. And like I said, that part way over there, that drain right there, is actually where they've already come out and they've marked the 100 feet in red. And so we can't be, oh, another one is coming out to arrest me. Don't know if you guys can see that. So they've got two of them coming out here to arrest me and tow my vehicle. And the 100-foot mark, that's way up there, you just can't be between where people go in and the 100-foot mark. So I'm here because I have volunteers who have come out today to collect signatures for the Restore Freedom Initiative petition. I told them they had to be more than 100 feet away. Did you call my husband?
I have him on here, but I haven't dialed him.
Oh, please. Oh, dial him. He's been calling me.
Oh, okay.
He's been blowing me up. He needs to know if I'm getting arrested. And if you can, tell him Rod tried to call me.
Rod?
Yep. And Rod needs to show up right now. So we have the original deputy is walking.
I don't vote for this bullshit. This is I don't vote for this.
Right, exactly. And that's the thing.
This is Allegan County. This isn't Macomb County, okay? Frank Aker, he's super disappointed right now.
Is that the sheriff?
Yes.
Oh, he's been already on the phone with Sheriff Darleaf, and they've been talking about it today. So he knows about this very situation.
Berry County.
Yep.
This is Allegan County.
Yeah,
It's
that's why.
better than that.
That's why Dar called over here. They've had a conversation.
Okay. Darcy, actually. He's a constitutional sheriff.
He is. In fact, he and I are both members of the Constitutional Sheriff and Peace Officers Association.
I'm getting you talking.
Hey, don't you guys have, like, you know, some real business to do here? You know?
Not his direct one.
No, we got enough problems in Allegan County. There we got break-ins. I live just down over here, and there's always shit going on with the kids.
Oh yeah, no.
So you guys are harassing people here who are lawfully within their legal rights. Doing what
Just
they're
go to your
doing.
dialer,
Just
and I'll
understand
dial it. All right, guys. So just hang tight. We'll see what's gonna pan out from this.
You're a deputy sheriff. You uphold the Constitution. Is that what you swore? Is that why you took an oath, sir? You shake your head. That's fine.
You know what's funny is
Part
they.
of the problem there, what's going on in the world nowadays.
And
here.
yeah, my husband needs to know they're trying to arrest me right now, and they're telling me they think they're gonna tow my car.
To uphold the Constitution, everybody else is spitting and shitting on it.
You know what's interesting is that I'm trying to tell people, I've been trying to tell them from the beginning of all this garbage, that I'm just following orders doesn't work. I'm just doing what the prosecutor told me doesn't work. Because abuse of prosecution or abuse of process and malicious prosecution are individual things that they can be held accountable for.
Yeah.
Not to mention the federal offense, 18 U.S.C. section 241, conspiracy. Oh, there's a third one coming out to arrest me. All right, guys, here's a third one.
Oh, he's bringing out the clerk.
Oh, and the clerk's coming out to tell me I'm not allowed to be here on public property.
I wonder if I should call my husband.
We all pay taxes. This is our building. This is the people's building.
Yep.
It's a township hall. It's a library.
But I don't know.
Yep, so we got at least 3.
They're trying to reach Rod.
Okay.
Okay. And Lori's been trying to call him too.
Okay.
My husband was Allegan County Sheriff. He's like, you're within the rights as long as
Yep.
you're off the footers.
Yep.
As long as you're within.
Oh, the 100 feet is way over there.
I don't know the address right off the top of my head.
Okay, so you're aware, I know you two have already
It's Leighton
met, so this is
Township
Mary Lou, she's the township supervisor.
I know.
Okay?
L-E-I-N.
So she already spoke with you.
I know, earlier today.
Okay.
And then I went back and
So
we kind of came up
She
with
has
it.
something to say.
Okay.
Okay.
I explained to you that we have this resolution that's not allow.
No, it says you do. It says you do. I'm just asking you guys to read it. Nothing in this resolution shall be construed to interfere with MCL 168.931K, which allows, guys, it allows a person to disseminate campaign literature on election day when a person is beyond 100 feet
We are not
from an entrance.
We're not contesting MCL 160.
No, it's saying we have a right. It says this resolution says we have a right to be here. We're allowed to be here as long as we're beyond the 100 feet. That's what it says.
That part has nothing to do with this part.
What are you,
which
what
says
part?
You may not leave a vehicle on township property beyond the time necessary to transact township business.
But it says right here that nothing in this is meant to.
But that does not say anything about leaving a vehicle on township property beyond township business hours.
So you were asked to leave, okay, do you understand that? So you were asked to leave, are you willing to leave, yes or no?
So all of you, let's see, this is Deputy Bustle. Am I saying that
Bustle and
correct?
Anderson. Yep.
Deputy
Langlois.
Anderson,
Anderson.
Deputy Bustle, Deputy Anderson, and Deputy Langlois
It's all within my constitutional right to sign. Okay.
are telling me that they're going to arrest me.
I just see what you did.
Yes or no? Okay, well,
Can I-
get away from me a little bit. You don't have to-
Hold on a second. I know you just came, and I'm trying to be calm, but as you can tell, I'm a little. Just give me, sir. Let me finish the sentence. Can I ask you
It's absolute bullshit.
5 minutes? Can I ask you for 5 minutes to talk about what the law actually says?
You've already talked to the supervisor. They've asked you to
She
leave.
has no right to stop me from being
Are
here.
you willing to leave, yes or no?
You have no right to. You're
We have
violating the law.
Okay, we have a right to ask you.
Can you? No, you
The
don't.
prosecutor's is on board with the trespassing.
Oh, I don't care what the prosecutor says. You can't
Are
trespass.
you willing to leave?
I'm asking if you're willing to look at the
Are you
law.
willing to leave?
Possibly if you look at the law.
Okay, this has nothing to do with what she's requesting you.
Yeah, but she can't override the law.
Are you willing to leave?
This is Mary Lou, I can't read her last name, clerk of Leighton Township. So also someone who's violating our rights.
My legal rights.
Go ahead and turn around.
Are you willing?
Stop, get off of me! Get off of me! My child is in the car, stop! Get off of me! me you're gonna make me drop my phone. Please, please set my phone down. I'm going to set right there.
This is absolutely unnecessary.
If you are stop, please. I'm asking you. I will leave right now.
You've already had your
My child is in the. I will leave right now. Can you just let me vote? I want to vote, and then you can arrest me.
You vote at this precinct?
No,
Okay. So you don't have evidence here?
I do right there. My child is here.
Okay, are you two willing to leave?
No, you do not. I'm not.
I just voted on it. That's all I did, and I signed a petition. So
He's just a bystander.
I'm just a bystander, sir.
Please,
Then you need
please,
to
my
step
child is in the car.
I want the.
Okay.
Are you willing to leave?
Please, I have a right to be
I am going to. I'm going to.
You are not acting according to the Constitution.
I need your keys for your
I
car.
know, I can't get them. They won't let me give you my keys.
Get her child.
How old is her child?
6.
That's my daughter.
No.
Yeah.
And if this is what we have to do, that's okay.
Please, oh, give me a hard time. Let me sit down. Stop. I need to bend my head down. Stop.
Thank you.
Stop. I'm going to sit down. Let me sit down. Oh, just let me sit down. Let me sit down. Let me sit down. Oh my God, you're hurting me. Let me sit down. You are hurting me. Please stop hurting me. I'm trying to sit down. Please stop pulling me like that.
So Frank just got here. He is documenting it all now. He's got the phone set up.
Yeah, Facebook Live.
Is she out of the car? Is that
No.
what I see?
She might have just gone out on the
Yeah,
other
she
side.
just got out on the other side. So I think that was
Things happen. I go, you damn right. I'm a okay. And I married. We live. I'm over in Leighton Township in Christmas.
You're live on Facebook.
Do you have your keys to your car? Okay, because I gave them and then they took them for her. So I'm glad you got them back. That's all I want to make sure.
She's in the car. Where is there like a? I gotta.
what do you need to know? I'm right. So
We're losing a lot of people for signatures, and I got to find a place.
Are you guys allowed to stay here?
No.
Oh, you
They
aren't.
told us we're trespassing. And that's okay. I already had a citation in Kentwood for trespassing.
Something what I
Earlier.
know, it's in an ordinance. Mind the way there, brother? Okay.
Mike's almost. He's actually just
Something's
right
about in the ordinance they got in Leighton Township. They have it in the ordinance. I
Right.
don't know.
Well, that doesn't hold water. So it doesn't matter.
Pull up the interdict.
It doesn't matter. I have a right to be here.
Exactly. No, I agree.
Is there a place that we can go and?
I got to get petition signed.
Okay.
Where can I go? Can I go to that other house?
But I gotta go.
You can go anywhere without an ordinance, okay?
How can your ordinance violate
Hold on.
the Constitution?
Let her do that, okay? So are you ready?
Where do we need to go?
Are you ready to go? Okay, we've
Right.
given you enough time. You know what's going on with her. She's
Right.
gonna move her car.
Right.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or what are you going to do?
Are you
Arrest
looking
me
for a
now?
goat?
If I didn't
Place
move my
to go?
vehicle?
Are we looking just for a place to go? Right
And I
now?
said I wanted to make sure that everything
Okay, if we go
ended
up
up.
here,
And I want
turn left,
to hear it
you go
from her.
through the stop sign.
Yeah, but if
cross,
I
there's
leave
like
and she
a
gets
softball
arrested
park
after I leave, I don't know.
before it hits gravel and the railroad tracks. It's about a mile down the road.
Know what freedom is.
Okay.
Private property.
Okay. I need to go somewhere
Public
else.
library.
I'm just saying, I wanted to make sure she's okay.
She just wants to
Okay.
off the people. So
I am going to make it, and I made it very easy with you earlier today until somebody else came back and said that we
just go right out here, go
constitutional right
left,
to be here.
first
So I
stop sign,
stayed.
go straight through the stop
Yes,
sign
and
on
wait.
the left.
I will fight it.
There is
I just got to
a
check with
park,
my other
ballpark.
friend, my colleague that was here with me.
It's on this road.
So that's your truck?
Down this road right here. You get to the gravel. Yeah.
I was just ready to go. I got home ready to go off. Got some wood out in Hastings tonight.
Where can we go?
Is that a 9?
Yeah. No, it's not 45.
Yeah.
45.
That's my
And they
phone.
took our
Catherine, are you ready?
I'm trying to tell my husband we're leaving.
Scratch up.
Okay.
Rod,
Yes.
that's
Mike,
fine.
we're gonna
See
go.
where your wallet
We're
is.
gonna go up the road a mile.
Okay, let's get out of here.
So-
we'll go somewhere else.
We're gonna go
All
talk
right.
the road a
Sounds good.
mile.
I'll follow you. I'll follow you wherever you're going. Okay.
You're Emma's dad?
For the economy.
Yeah, he is. Yes.
Okay, we're good. We're good.
Emma's in the car.
So
Did you guys want to ride out to Hastings tonight?
well, I gotta go
Okay,
vote
let's
yet.
go talk somewhere else.
but-
Let's get out of here.
yeah,
Everybody's
yeah.
out of here. All right. Nice
we
to meet
gonna
you.
follow?
I don't know. I'm following Catherine.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm hoping my car will.
He's going to check on his daughter. Really?
Yeah, really.
Because it's just open all.
You abuse of power, and you're worried about him checking on his daughter.
Like I said. Are you guys ready? I'll move my car. I know, everybody's waiting for everybody, but someone has to be the first one.
See if your car starts.
Looks like it would be this one.
I will gladly move it if she's ready.
Serene.
Yeah, I'm gonna go down. I have no. Yeah, I gotta start my car because it's been open all day. I want to make sure it starts.
I can jump you up and won't start, okay?
Yes, and I appreciate.
So it's illegal to collect petitions here, but we didn't know to another place and then it's legal? Okay.
I want to be able to vote today.
All right.
And at the point that I was putting the card, you weren't here, and Lisa wasn't here, and Frank wasn't here, so I didn't have anybody here yet. So we'll drive down the road. What are you driving?
The really dirty GMC terrain down there at the end, the kind of tan, like the mud and the paint all looks the same thing.
Okay.